Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of foundations, specifically the hunt for the perfect one. The problem is either your foundation is too matte or too dewy. And then some of us might end up with multiple products for different occasions and different finish. Also, during the summer months, many foundations struggle to maintain their longevity due to the heat and humidity. Keeping your foundation on point in the heat can be a struggle. With all that sweat and humidity, most foundations seem to just melt away. Well, you might get lucky today because I have found something to address these issues. Say hello to the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi-Matte Foundation, your new makeup BFF. This is newly launched and is surely going to win your hearts. But what's in the name? Well, quite a lot actually. Lumi-Matte is the perfect blend of matte and luminous. A foundation that's matte but still gives you a soft, diffused glow. I will also show you the application and the result. Also, it's ideal for everyday wear. And just look at the packaging. From its sleek packaging to the embossed logo, Maybelline has nailed it with the design. It's not just about what's inside, it's about the whole experience. I have fallen for the shape of it. It's so cool and sleek. This not only makes you look flawless, but also comes in a sleek glass bottle that adds a touch of luxury to your makeup routine. It's like having a little piece of glamour in your vanity every morning. Plus, the transparency of the glass lets you see the product inside, adding an elegant and modern flair to your beauty collection. So the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi-Matte Foundation comes in 10 shades. And now I will swatch all these 10 shades on my hand, and then I'll pick the 3 closest to my skin tone to swatch on my cheek. I'll make sure to mention the shade numbers as we go. Again, perfect for everyday wear for office or college. It also has SPF 16, so it's an added bonus. This foundation is light as air, perfect for those who don't want to feel like they're wearing a mask. And here's the cherry on top. The Super Stay formula promises 30 hours of enduring wear. My makeup remains flawless from morning until night, no matter how eventful or hectic my day is. It's basically your makeup's way of saying, I've got your back, babe. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, and transfer-proof, so it stays during rainy days, intense workouts, and hugs from your friends. You can dance, sweat, and slay all day without worrying about it budging. So I apply this and go to my Hot Latin Thursdays, which is my salsa socials, and trust me, I dance for 4 hours and my foundation, it doesn't budge. And let's not forget the Lumi matte finish. Look at that matte finish, that too with a hint of luminosity. Do you see the subtle diffused radiance? I love the natural luminous glow because it is not excess and not too much. This is because of the magic ingredients, which are micropearls and amino acids. It's buildable to full coverage, so you can customize your look however you like. You start with a light layer for those chill days when you're hanging out with your friends, having a game night, and then when you're feeling extra, you just keep adding more. For example, what if there's a sudden plan to go somewhere more glam, like a pub? So it's all about layering up until you get that perfect level of coverage. The Maybelline Super Stay Lumi-Matte Foundation has definitely earned its spot in my makeup bag. If you're ready to elevate your foundation game, make sure to check it out. I've included all the details, including the price, the shade range, and where to buy it in the description box below. And don't forget to share your own experience with this foundation in the comments. So that was it, guys. If you like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.